Hi, I'm Steve Glant with ClearTouch Interactive, and today I wanted to show you a couple easy ways to share the camera from your iPad or really any mobile device using Collage on the ClearTouch Interactive panel. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and launch into the Collage application on my iPad. It's a free app that you can download for pretty much any platform, of course, including iOS. So once I get that downloaded, I'm greeted with a number keypad, which is going to correspond to the number in the Collage software on the ClearTouch panel. So once I get that there, I'm going to go ahead and type in the code 264742. And that's going to go ahead and get me connected. So there's a couple different ways that we can share our camera from the iPad. We can either do the screen sharing, where I'm going to share my iPad screen up to the ClearTouch panel, and then actually hop into the iOS native camera app, and we can share our camera that way. But we can also do it directly through the Collage app on the iPad as well. So we'll start with that way. I'm going to go ahead and click the camera option here on the menu. And as you can see, it pulls up my camera viewer, and it also has what appears to be a record button, but really that's just going to start the video transmission to the panel. So I also have this in master mode, so when I go ahead and request to share that camera, it's going to give me a pop-up. So I'm going to go ahead and click that button. You'll see I get the pop-up here, but once I hit accept, I should have that video streaming to the panel. So now I've got everything from the iPad here. I can even go full screen, and that's going to show everything there. So if I wanted to walk around, maybe show something on a desk, I've got our mini keyboard and touchpad here on the screen, but I'm able to show everything on there as we go. So that's one of the easiest ways to connect directly from the app. But the other way, like I mentioned, can be a little bit more useful if we want to hop in and out between a camera and maybe different apps on that same iPad. So with that one, I'm going to go ahead and request to share the screen. Again, we're in that permissions mode, so I have to accept it. Now when I'm sharing the screen, I'm actually going to go into the control center in iOS and then into the screen mirroring options. And now I'll actually see Collage as an option here. So I'm going to select Collage, and as you can see now, that's going to transmit the screen up to the board. So now this is just true screen mirroring. I can show any of my applications, like I said, but the one we want to see real quick is going to be the camera application. So I can launch into the camera here, and again, now I've got that screen on there. I can even tilt it and go full screen on that as well. So now I've got almost the same effect, but the nice part here, as soon as we're done showing something, I can actually just go right back and launch into any other application. So just a couple quick ways to get your iOS or really any mobile device up on the screen and be able to share that camera in the room. So thank you and have a great rest of your day.